Hello everyone. So this is the 14th session of the Advances in Post-Harvest Technology of Fruits and Vegetables, and the topic which we'll be covering today is maturity indices and standards for selected fruits and vegetables. The quality standard for product acceptance. Quality is one of the major positioning tools for the producer of marketability, profitability, and the consumer satisfaction. Quality stands for the rated ability of the product, fruits or vegetables, or product thereof, or a brand to perform functions. It is a combination of attributes of characteristics product that have significance in determining the degrees of acceptability of the product to the user. So industry, on the other hand, defines quality as a measure of purity, strength, flavor, size, maturity, workmanship, and conditions, or any other distinctive attribute or characteristic of the product. Thus, it is an overall measure of the product's behavior in the public or market, as a measure reflecting the product's standings on durability, reliability, precision. Some of the attributes of the measured objectivity and combined using a set of important weights into an index of quality. Types of measures for determining quality. Physical method: size, texture, color, consistency, headspace, fill and drained, weight, vacuum container, symmetry, defects, viscosity. Chemical method are enzyme, moisture, fiber, pH, acidity, protein, specific gravity, fat, oil, carbohydrate, um, ash, mineral, vitamin, sugars, tannins, alcohols. Microbiological adulteration, contamination are mold, insect fragments, insects, excreta, foreign material. Differentiation between cell type, tissue, microorganism. Determination of microbial count, spoilage. Detection in the fresh and processed products. Subjective versus objective methods for determining the quality. Subjective methods use human sense organs to evaluate the quality of fresh fruits and vegetables. They are based on the opinion of the investigators. The past training experience of an individual's power or perception is the use of the evaluating quality. Objective methods are based for scientific test. No human perception is involved in it. For example, an instrument is used to provide a special color value based on the amount of light reflected of the commodity surface or the light reflected to the commodity. The quality parameters that can be determined using this include color, shape, size, firmness, and absence from defects. Post-harvest handling operation. Appearance. The visual appearance of fresh fruits and vegetables is one of the first and the foremost quality determinants made by the buyer. Whether the wholesaler, retailer, or consumer, or the appearance of the fresh horticultural commodity is the most critical factor in the initial purchase, while the subsequent purchase may be more related to the texture or the flavor. Color is perceived when light is reflected from the commodity surface falls on the eye's retina. There is no color without light. The color perception depends on the type of the intensity of light, chemical and physical characteristics of the commodity, and the person's ability to characterize or differentiate various colors or the color preference of the individual. Shape and size. Uniform and characteristic shape is the important quality parameter or trait. Misshapen or deformed products may be more susceptible to mechanical injury and are generally avoided by consumers. An example where shape is important is broccoli. For the fresh fruit market, compare broccoli florets are desirable, whereas in fresh cut spaces between the cluster of florets, it is important to allow for cutting without injury. The size of the product can also be important depending upon the intended use. Consumers tend to associate large size with higher quality and view larger fruits as more natural. A subjective evaluation of size and shape can be conducted on incoming products once the desirable and undesirable characteristics are determined. Size and shape charts, sizing rings, and calipers are available for various commodities. Firmness. Firmness is a degree of softness or crispness, is often measured by using instruments or objectivity measure of firmness. Subjective measure of firmness with figures can be used as a useful check of quiet measure of gross differences in firmness. Magnus Taylor. There are several firmness testers available, such as Magnus Taylor pressure tester, FAG fruit penetrometer, FAG penetrometer, UC fruit firmness tester, deformation tester. Recommended tip size for firmness instruments are given in the table and notes. Proper unit to firmness may be used for an appropriate use. Absence of defect. The product may be evaluated for the presence or absence of defects. The level of tolerance for each type of defect, such as cuts, bruises, disease, low temperature, injury, and physiological disorder, should be determined. During quality evaluation, the percentage of fruit with each class or defect can be determined as a name to overall product quality. A scoring system, namely no defects, can be used to describe the incidence and extent of defects on acceptability level. The product may be evaluated for the presence or absence of defects. The level of tolerance for each type of defect, such as cuts, bruise, physiological disorder, should be determined. During quality evaluation, the percentage of fruit with each class can be determined as a scoring system, meaning no defect 1, slightly moderate 3, severe is equal to 2, severe is equal to 4, and extreme is equal to 5 can be used to describe the incidence or acceptable level. Total soluble solids. Carbohydrates from where fruit sugars are derived are the most abundant and widely distributed food components of fruits and vegetables. The structural framework of work, texture, taste, and food value of fruit can be related to carbohydrate content. The TSS of a fruit indicates the amount of sugar present in the sample. This can be determined quickly with the help of a refractometer. The TSS measurement by itself is destructive in nature, and fruits are cut open and crushed to extract its juice and put it into the refractometer. This is a refractometer as shown in the slide. Refractometers can be characterized according to the Briggs range, degree Briggs range into 0 to 32, 28 to 62, and 56 to 92, of which 0 to 32 Briggs meter is usually reflected for maturity determination of fruits or vegetables. Titratable acidity. Organic acids are intermediate products of metabolism. In Krebs TCA cycle, the oxidation of organic acids in living cells of fruit provides energy required for the maintenance of cell integrity. Most of the fresh fruits are acidic in nature with a pH 3 to 5. The total titratable acidity refers to the amount of acid present in the free plus combined state. The titratable acidity value is expressed in equivalence of any of these organic acids, that is citric acid, malic acid, and tartaric acid. The tartaric acid formula is milliliter of NaOH into normality of NaOH into acid mass equivalent factor into 100 upon ml of juice titrated. In nutritional quantity, fresh fruits and vegetables play a very significant role in human nutrition, especially as source of vitamins and dietary fiber. Post-harvest losses, especially in nutritional quality, particularly vitamin C content, can be substantial and are enhanced by physical damage, extended storage, higher temperature, etc. Eating quality includes sweetness, sourness, astringency, bitterness, aroma, and of flavor. The flavor quality involved in the perception of taste and aromas of many compounds, objective perception of the taste, and objective analytical determination of critical components must be coupled with subjective evaluations by the taste panel to yield useful and meaningful information about flavor quality of fresh fruits and vegetables. That's all for this session. Thank you.